Hi there, hello, nice to see everybody. Actually the camera's over there today and not over there, it's over there. So hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a Mother's Day card for Mother's Day. Now unfortunately here in England, Mother's Day was last week or maybe a week before depending on when I put this video out. But I did this before Mother's Day because this was for my mum for her Mother's Day present, and I did this on the design space on the Cricut maker, not Cricut, the Cricut maker, and it was actually one of theirs, so I didn't do this. It was one of theirs, which I thought was really nice, but it was actually it wanted you to cut like the card out, and I have loads of card stock, and I didn't want to waste it, so I don't have the scoring wheel of my Cricut maker, so I just cut it off, stuck it onto this, and then it's just one of my own cards. So that's what we will be doing.
Right, so let's get into it. So first we use a design space and try and find the card. So I just put Mother's Day in, and it comes on with lots of lovely things that you can choose. And there we go, I've just gone past it. There we go, that's the card that we will do. Very nice card. So we need to click on the action button, and then we need to click on the ungroup. So we just need to click on the ungroup, so the green card comes away from the white card, and you'll see in a minute. There we go, there's a white card under there. And all you need to do is I just arranged it that the white card was on top of the green, so I could actually see what I was doing. So there we go, it's quite easy. So I have to detach the actual card, which then will release the scoring line, and then just delete that. We don't need that anymore. And I'm just going to move that card back, make it just a tiny little bit bigger as well. And then you'll see what I do with the fact that it's quite easy, just selecting it all, select the whole thing, and then we slice. Slice is amazing. So you can just pick up all the things we've sliced and you just delete them, and that green thing comes off, and then you're left with that. So we just need the measurement for the card. So it's about 13 by 18, so whatever you decide. 5 by 7 card this is, so 13 by 18 centimetres, which just measure up, make sure you've got the measurements, and go back to the design space. Now you have to make sure when you have your card that you press the unlock button on the bottom left. There's a little padlock, and you just unlock it, and then you can have what size you want. So just put your measurements in, quite easy. And I've put roughly just under the 18 actually, just so it doesn't go over, and it just fits quite nicely underneath the card almost. And then we're ready to make it. So this is a lovely thing, I think, when you've got it on the cutting mat and you're ready to make. And I chose with this card, this is medium stock, so it's just a case of clicking on medium's cardstock, then it all sets it all up to cut out. I love watching this. I didn't film this bit on the Cricut maker, so here we go. So this is all cut out now, so just take the excess off, and then you might just need your tool for them from the Cricut machine, because you've got some quite useful tools, so you can't just use your fingers. You have to be very delicate and just pull it off, ease it off the cutting mat. There we go. And with the power of fast forward, we can just do this just a little bit quicker. But when I actually did it, I took my time and used that little tool. There we go. So then take off all the bits that are left on the cutting mat and then put that back for another day. So here we go. Here it is, all cut out. So I just get the glue gun and just glue all around it, and then little bits on the card. Just do that, and then ease it off again and place it on the card, and there we go. See you next time. Bye for now. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.